It looked like LightningDude is already gone. Well, never mind, I don't need to save him. Well, uh, LightningDude is already gone, darn. Huh? Hello? Hello? Paul?
Look at someone and they're supposed to work here, and it's taking trouble. And like also, if you hear some background, that is just his own cat. Whoa, yeah, still look like this when I return. Oh wait, oh, Art Bunny, what are you doing here? And whoa, does it different from when I came in here?
Well, I was gonna save LightningDude from his monster form because he had that purple goo.
What? Monster form?
Yeah, but something happened, but he I don't know where LightningDude went. He probably went to his home ward. He should be back any minute now. So yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, I got to go. Whoa. Whoa. I literally looked like Jackson came back. Looked like he must be busy. Oh, look like somebody is in your. Oh. Hey Cole, what's up?
Oh.
Yeah, you didn't been. Yeah, I'm okay. I was just in my monster form, so yeah, I'm okay. I'm better now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, some stuff has changed since you were out, not out, but gone for a little. Like the pizza statue, my statue.
Yeah. Well, I don't know if I'm dealing with some of the new villains that are around this. I'm just makes me sad. And then I have Shadow, Cole, and the Hope Xion. And I believe Cole Xion should be one of the hard ones that you're trying to get rid of because he is like just like like a ghost and like said like the only way for me to get rid of him is if I just die. But I don't want to die here to end this villain this once and for all.
Oh, look like that generator thingy has been gone. That Spinel had.
Oh, just from the sun getting the smell.
Yeah, there hasn't been no villains or somewhat, so yeah.
Yeah, but there's still some gems that are out there that are corrupted by the villains that I think of that they're seem to not actually be super kind of gems they were just gems corrupted by the villains that I'm fighting through.
But like this room hasn't been ready to be released yet, so that room isn't ready to go to look yet. So that room isn't ready yet.
So like also some of the villains like your dad was like evil, but why?
I don't really know why my dad is evil. I don't really know why. I didn't see him in a long time.
Well, at least my mom and dad wasn't evil.
I wonder where he been at. Like, I wonder where my dad at. Since I restarted my universe that one time.
Maybe he's been through something that can make him conquer stuff and make him powerful, that could make him become evil.
And also, something happened to me that I bubbled like at least 7 villains. Like, let me show you. I hope he won't reform, but let me show you. Yeah.
You know, I had some hard villains to deal with, like Pole.exe and then like Skiller, I think. Oh, Firefire, Donner, Dragon Lord, Claire, Snapper, Fennel, Toys, Toys. They're all the same gem.
I know, because I bubbled all of them up.
Well, are they all the same gem because it's my vision?
I don't really know what kind of gem they are.
All look the same to you?
Yeah, they may look like the same gem for me, but I don't really know.
So, for some protection of something, I believe I heard something about the goo you're using. It has gem seal with it.
Oh, yeah, the goo, I have it.
Wait, what? Why would you take the goo with you?
Because just in case if we ever needed to put it on a villain or somewhat. So, yeah, I took some just in case, and I kept it in a bottle. This might be bad, in a way, so that's why I kept it.
Oh, wait, guess someone didn't spell right. Hold on. I will try to fix something. There we go. I fixed something. This wasn't spelled correctly. Now it is.
So if we use this as, or not as, but if we use it on a villain, that might be bad.
And also, I believe it doesn't have its right kind of... It doesn't have its right liquid color, I think. So, I'm gonna need that, because this is for the color switcher I can use. So, I believe, Oh, wait, I think it means based on from what it looks like inside of it. I just said that. Never mind. Okay, but I do suggest do not drink it.
Yeah, I'm gonna bubble it just in case.
Yeah, it's been in a bubble. Do you still have the Dream World Tour power?
Yeah, I think so.
It's supposed to be vanishing villains.
Yeah, I have it. I just forgot what kind of bubble that I put it in. I forgot what kind of bubble. Where are you at, of course? Wait, oh. Yeah, I see you now. Okay, here.
Wait, what? But how can it be... Oh, I think you messed up with its name again.
Yeah.
Hold on, I'll fix it for you.
And there was 2 new gems if you didn't know.
It is fixed the name.
Nice. Yeah, there was 2 new gems. So yeah.
Okay, wait. Probably because of those are probably because you're not using the cure that gets rid of villains.
Why, you have a point.
Oh wait, why haven't I been using the controller light cure with it the entire time?
I don't really know.
Why can't I use it on Pokemon?
Yeah, you could use it on him or her. I don't really know what gender it is.
You know, Neo or old Neo is like for Neo when he was old evil, I mean as Neo when he was evil, like turned evil. Like he was created by Wesley, but if Wesley created old Neo, then Neo is the cause of creating the villains, then this whole mess is all Wesley's fault. It's all because of Wesley creating Neo when he turned evil.
No. Cool.